Welcome to MotorMav. In this video, we will know about 4 symptoms of Volkswagen high-pressure fuel pump failure. So, let's start. Number 1. Sputtering when your car has a good pace. It means the injector cannot inject the fuel into the engine by maintaining the flow. As a result, your engine will skip a few power strokes. You will notice the engine sputtering on a freeway, and your VW speed is above 50 miles per hour. Number 2. Engine is turning off. When your VW cannot keep the high-pressure fuel flow, it loses the capabilities to keep the engine running. So, whenever you are pushing the car, or ordinarily parking, and a high-pressure fuel pump can inject the fuel into the engine, it will be turned off automatically. Number 3. Loss of power. Injecting less fuel or delaying Volkswagen's high-pressure fuel pump is also considered a failure. If it continues, it will increase randomly and cause a complete failure. Number 4. Engine cranks and vibrates, no start. Another most vital symptom is your vehicle won't start. It will crank and vibrate when you push the ignition, but the engine will not start. It means that neither the fuel passes through the injector nor is it burning the fuel to operate the cylinder. So, when observing one of these fuel pump failure symptoms on your VW, stop worrying and go for a profound inspection. So, enjoy now. Visit our page MotorMav to read this blog in detail. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.